If you need a 12-volt compact drill, there are literally hundreds of options out there. Which ones are actually worth your money, and which ones should you skip? Today, we're breaking down the best 12-volt compact drills, covering torque, battery life, weight, and real-world value, so you can pick the right one without the guesswork. Let's get into it. Number 1. FADAC-WALT 12-volt power drill set. The FADAC-WALT 12-volt power drill set is one of those kits that honestly punches above its price tag. It delivers 240 inch-pounds of torque, with a 2-speed gearbox topping out at 1,400 revolutions per minute, and the whole thing weighs just 2 pounds. The 3/8-inch keyless chuck and 18+1 clutch settings give you solid control for most household tasks. What really makes this one stand out is the complete package you get: drill bits, a built-in LED work light, and a variable speed trigger all bundled in. The ergonomic handle feels comfortable even during longer projects. If you want the best bang for your buck as a homeowner, this is a fantastic starting point. Next up, the DecoPro 12-volt drill brings some serious grip to the table, literally. The rubber-covered handle is designed to reduce vibration, and you can feel the difference when you're driving screws for a while. It pushes out 280 inch-pounds of torque, which is noticeably stronger than most drills in this price range. It runs at up to 1,350 revolutions per minute with a 2-speed setup and comes in at 2.2 pounds. The 18+1 torque settings let you fine-tune your power depending on the material. If you need a budget drill that hits a little harder than the competition, the DecoPro is a smart pick. Coming in at number 3, the Avid Power 12-volt cordless drill is basically made for gift giving. It comes with a 22-piece accessory set that includes a flexible shaft. Super handy for getting into tight corners where a regular drill just won't fit. You get 265 inch-pounds of torque and a 19+1 clutch, which is one extra setting over most competitors. The real-time power indicator on the body is a nice touch, so you always know where your battery stands. It weighs 2.2 pounds and runs on a 1.5 ampere-hour battery. If you're shopping for someone who's just getting into DIY, this is the kit to grab. Number 4. Hoto 12-volt cordless brushless drill. Alright, now this one is different. The Hoto 12-volt brushless drill is part of the Xiaomi ecosystem, and it looks like something Apple would design if they made power tools. It features a brushless motor, a smart high-definition LED display, and it charges via USB-C. Yes, the same cable as your phone. Under the hood, it puts out 265 ampere-hour of torque at 1,400 revolutions per minute, and an internal smart chip gives you precise torque control. There's even a pulse mode designed specifically for beginners. At just 1.9 pounds, it's one of the lightest drills on this entire list. If you love tech and clean design, this is your drill. Now we're stepping into pro territory. The Bosch PS312A is an industry legend, and for good reason. Its head length is just 7.0 inches, making it the most compact drill in its class, which is a game-changer for tight cabinet and furniture work. It delivers 265 inch-pounds of torque and comes with two 2 ampere-hour batteries right out of the box. Bosch built this one to last, and it's backed by their reputation for professional-grade reliability. It weighs 2.14 pounds and has a no-load speed of 1,300 revolutions per minute. If you want a 12-volt compact drill that professionals actually trust on the job site, the Bosch is the gold standard. Number 6. WorkPro 12-volt cordless drill. Shifting gears to something lighter, the WorkPro 12-volt tips the scales at just 1.8 pounds, making it the lightest drill on this entire list. That's a big deal if you get hand fatigue or you're doing overhead work. It puts out 220 inch-pounds of torque with speeds up to 1,350 revolutions per minute. The 19-piece kit includes bits and a handy carrying bag, so you're ready to go right out of the box. The 3/8-inch keyless chuck keeps bit changes simple and quick, If your main jobs are furniture assembly and light DIY tasks, this is built exactly for that. At number 7, we've got the Tegatalk 12-volt cordless drill, a solid no-frills option that gets the job done. It offers 250 inch-pounds of torque and 1,350 revolutions per minute with an 18+1 clutch system for decent versatility. One feature I appreciate is the battery fuel gauge built right into the tool, so you're never guessing how much juice is left. It weighs 2.1 pounds and ships with a fast charger, which is a nice bonus at this price point. The 1.5 ampere-hour battery handles light household repairs without any issues. If you just need a reliable, affordable drill for basic tasks around the house, the Tegatalk delivers. Number 8. Bihoo Cordless Drill. Now here's a sleeper pick. The Bihoo Cordless Drill claims the highest torque in the budget category on this list at 300 inch-pounds, and that's a big number for a 12-volt drill. It spins up to 1,400 revolutions per minute and features a high-efficiency copper motor designed for more demanding tasks. The ergonomic D-shaped grip feels natural in your hand, and the 3/8-inch keyless chuck makes bit swaps easy. At 2.1 pounds, it's still very manageable. If you want budget pricing but need a little extra muscle for tougher materials, the Bihoo might surprise you. Coming in at number 9, the Garden Joy 12-volt drill set is all about accessories. You get over 30 pieces in the box: bits, sockets, an extension bar, basically everything a beginner could need. The drill itself delivers 240 inch-pounds of torque at 1,350 revolutions per minute, which handles most home improvement tasks just fine. It weighs an even 2 pounds and runs on a 1.5 ampere-hour battery. The whole kit is targeted at first-time tool buyers and garden-related assembly projects. If you're just starting your tool collection and want one box that covers the basics, Garden Joy has you covered. And closing out our list, a name everyone knows. The Black Decker BDCDD12C takes a totally different approach than everything else here. Instead of chasing high torque, it focuses on precision with just 100 inch-pounds and a controlled 550 revolutions per minute max speed. The 11-position clutch is specifically tuned to prevent screw stripping. At 2.4 pounds, it's the heaviest on our list, but you're paying for that massive global brand backing and service network. The 12-volt max lithium-ion battery keeps things simple and reliable. If you prioritize brand trust and careful, controlled driving over raw power, Black Decker has been doing this for decades. Alright, so there you have it. The best 12-volt compact drills all in one place. If I had to pick just two standouts, the Bosch PS312A is unbeatable for pro-level quality, and the FADAC is the best overall value kit. Links to every drill are down in the description. If this helped you out, smash that like button, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss a video.